Hello friends, Andrew here and welcome to Drew Tutorial. Now guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix no sound on Google Chrome. So if you're currently using Google Chrome on a website and you're trying to watch a video or listen to music and you're not getting any sound, you try to turn it up, you know that it is not mute but you're still having issues, this is how you can go ahead and fix that issue. So you have your Google Chrome open and then click the three dots on the upper right hand side, then simply click on settings. Now on the left hand side, you want to click on privacy and security and then click on site settings. Scroll all the way down to where you have additional content settings, click on that. And then you want to click on sounds. Now the first thing you want to ensure that it is not selected that says don't allow sites to play sound. If this is selected guys, this is the reason why. Go ahead and click it so that sites can play sound. And you also want to look under the section that says not allowed to play sounds. As you can see, I have YouTube added there. So no wonder why the YouTube will not work. And if you have YouTube or other sites there, Spotify, Facebook, whatever it might be that you might find here, and you're on that site and it's not working, then that's also one of the reasons. So you need to click the three dots here and simply click on remove. Go ahead and try that again. Try to access the site. And also you can just simply try to close that web browser, open it again and try again. Now, another thing that you can try here, guys, you can simply come here and click your volume icon on the lower right hand side. And where you have your volume towards the right, you can simply click select sound output. Now, once you click on that, go ahead and click on more volume settings here. And from here, you will have a bunch of different microphone, output, and so forth. So you want to simply go through the list here. And once you're using your Google Chrome, it's most likely that you'll find Chrome showing up here. And you simply want to go ahead and look through it and ensure that it is not turned down or mute. You'll most likely find it here under the output, but you'll definitely see if it's turned down or mute. So you can go ahead and you can check that to ensure that your volume is not turned down low or actually mute. So this is how you can easily check it, guys. Really hope you find this useful, and if you do, let me know in the comments below, and also hit that subscribe button if you're seeing the channel for the first time. Thank you very much, guys, and see you next time.